Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video we're gonna talk about how you can duplicate any page you want or any post you want on your WordPress website. So let's get right into it. On your left hand side you're gonna see this menu right here. What you're gonna do is we're gonna go and scroll down and we're gonna left click on plugins and just click on add a new plugin. So left click on that. It's gonna take us to this page right here. On the right hand side, you're gonna see the search plugins. You're gonna click on that and you're gonna write duplicate page. Click enter and we should get this plugin right here. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna left click on install now and wait for it to change to activate. And as you can see, we have the activate button right here. You're gonna left click on that and it should take us to right here. So as you can see, our plugin has been activated. We're gonna scroll down to the duplicate page and we're gonna left click on settings right below the duplicate page. So as you can see, you can basically change the editor. You can duplicate post status so it's on draft, it's immediately on publish, or for example it's on private or pending. So we're gonna set it to be on draft and redirect to, after click on duplicate this link, to all posts list. So and you can also duplicate post suffix, so you can basically add a suffix for duplicate or clone post as copy, clone, etc. It will show after title. So we're just gonna left click on save changes. So now when we go to the posts, let's go to all posts, you're gonna have this button right here, right next to view, which is basically the duplicate this. You're gonna left click on that, and as you can see, we have duplicated our post and it's on draft. So when we click on edit, we can basically publish it or do whatever we want with it. So same thing as posts. If we go back, or pages, sorry, it's for example this sample page, we can just left click on duplicate this and it's gonna get duplicated and on draft, so pending on publishing basically. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope that guys helped you and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.